morning, students. So students, today we'll do exercise 5. So here we will apply whatever we have learned till now. Okay, so what we have to do while adding 3-digit number with regrouping or without regrouping, all these things will apply here. Okay, so all of you open page 204 and see exercise 5 that is given. So see the first question. Here we have to add these following. Okay, so see the first one. So we'll start adding from the ones place value. So see, in ones place value 7 and 9 is there. So 7 plus 9, it will be how much? Yes, 16, right? So what we will do, we'll write this 6 in the ones place and we'll write this 1 in the tens place. Now see, in the tens place 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4, right? 4 plus 4, 8, right? So we'll write 8 here. Now see, in 100 place 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. Okay, so our answer will be what? 486. Now see B part. So see, the ones place 0 and 0 is there. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0. Now see, in tens place 9 and 9 is there. So 9 plus 9, it will be how much? 18, right? So we'll write 8 here and we'll give 1 to the 100 place. Now see, in the 100 place only 1 is there. So we can write this 1 here. Okay, so our answer is what? 180. Okay, now see C part. So see, the ones place value 3 and 9 is there. So 3 plus 9, it will be how much? 12, right? So we'll write these 2 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now see, 1 plus 6, it will be 7, right? 7 plus 9, can you tell me what will be the answer? 7 plus 9, 16, right? So again we'll write this 6 here and we'll give 1 to the 100 place. Now 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6, right? So our answer is what? 662. Okay, okay, now let's see this H part. Okay, so see, the ones place 1 and 9 is there. So 1 plus 9, it will be how much? 1 plus 9, 10, right? So we'll write this 0 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 2 plus 9, it will be how much? 11, right? So we'll write 1 in the tens place and we'll give this 1 to the 100 place. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be how much? 3, right? So our answer will be what? 310. Okay, so like this only you have to do the remaining, that is D, E, F, G and I in your classwork copy. Is it clear? So here We have to add this number. We have to regroup the ones and tens. Okay. Okay. So now let's see the next question that is given in your book. Okay. Now see question number 2. So here we have to apply addition, okay, and these are some story sums that are given. So see the first one. In a bunch of flower there are 46 roses and 38 daisies. How many flowers are there in all? So suppose this one is the bunch of flower. So just imagine here this one is suppose the rose and this one is suppose the daisy. So total number of roses are what? 46, and total number of daisies are what? 38. So how many flowers are there in all? So we have to find the total number of flowers. So we'll add these two numbers. So see the ones place 6 and 8 is there. So 6 plus 8, it will be how much? 14, right? So we'll write 4 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 4, it will be how much? 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So total how many flowers are there? 84 flowers are there in the bunch of flowers. Okay. Okay, now see the next one, B part. So in a shop there were 246 leather shoes and 530 canvas shoes. How many shoes are there in all? So this much of leather shoes are there and this much of canvas shoes are there. So we have to find out the total number of shoes. Okay, so what we will do, we'll add these two numbers. So 246, we'll add this one with 530. Okay, now see the ones place 6 plus 0, it will be 6. 4 plus 3, it will be 7. 2 plus 5, it will be again 7. So total how many shoes are there? 776 shoes are there in the shop. Okay. Okay. Now see C part. A fisherman caught 457 fish in the morning and 456 fish in the evening. How many fish did he catch that day? So in the morning time this much of fish he caught, and in the evening time this much of fish he caught. So we have to find out total fish that he catch that day. Okay, so we'll add these two numbers. So 457, we'll add this one with 456. Okay, now see the ones place 7 plus 6, it will be how much? 13, right? So we'll write 3 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 5, 11, right? So we'll write 1 here and we'll give 1 again to the next place, that is 100 place. Now see in the 100 place 1 plus 4, it will be how much? Yes, 5, right? So 5 plus 4, 9. So total how many fish he catch in all? 913 fish. Okay. Okay, now see the next one. There are 229 boys and 274 girls in a school. How many children studied in the school? So total number of boys are what? 229. And total number of girls is what? 274. So we have to find out the total number of students, or I can say the children's. So see, in ones place we'll add these two numbers, right? So 9 plus 4, it will be how much? 13, right? So we'll write 3 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 2, it will be 3. 3 plus 7, yes, 10, right? So we'll write 0 here and we'll give 1 to the 100 place. Now see, in the 100 place, 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3, right? 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. So total how many children studied in the school? 503 children. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the application of addition, where we have to apply addition. So if in a question it asks about the total number of anything, okay, suppose different things are given and we have to find out the total number, so we'll apply what? Addition. Okay, in our day-to-day life also we'll apply addition. Okay, suppose you need 1 pencil, right? And if you need 1 more pencil, then how many pencils you have now? 2. So what you did? You add the first pencil and the second pencil, right? Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the application of addition, where we can apply addition, right? So in our next class we'll learn about the application of subtraction. Okay, how we can subtract the higher numbers, where we have to apply subtraction. All these things we'll learn, okay, in our next class. Okay, so that's all for today. So you have to write these second number questions as well as the answers in your classwork copy. Okay, and the answer, or I can say the format of this answer, I will send you after this class. Okay.